Here's how to make a Metro Boomin type beat on FL Studio. Let's jump straight in. Like every Metro Boomin beat, we're gonna start with the bell. I'm using this preset from Grain X4, which is a multi-sample bell preset. And then we're simply laying down a pattern in a minor scale, making use of these notes that are one semitone apart because they're great for creating tension and adding to that dark, eerie style. Now it's time to add our chords. This is a 1/6 progression in the C minor scale. We can see what notes are in the C minor scale by going up to view, going down to scale highlighting, selecting the minor natural mode, and the root note of C. Now all of the lighter tones show us what notes are in the scale, and the darker tones are the notes that aren't in the scale, so we can't use these. These are the two chords that we're using, and we're just dropping these notes down an octave by pressing Ctrl and down. For these sounds, we want to use keys and pads. This is the preset I'm using for this sound. Now I've copied these chords over to a new pattern and taken this pad preset, again playing the exact same chords. It's got that kind of eerie vibe to it. And finally, one more pad layer. Now we can copy the root notes of the chords and use a bass sound. I'm using this respace. And here's a super dope technique. We can play any note, I'm using the root note of the scale, and take one of these morph presets inside of Grain X4. There's a ton of these. Specifically a lead sound. To explain this, the plugin simply uses an LFO to modulate the morph mode, which simply adjusts what sample is being played at what time. So when this note's being played, it's skipping through different samples, playing different sounds, but all on the same note. This creates a super dope texture, which we can play at the beginning of patterns. Here's how all of these elements now sound together. And finally, I've added this arpeggiator pattern. I'm using the X bell from Grain X4, which I created to sound just like the bell used in the song X by Metro Boomin and 21 Savage. Of course, this pattern won't sound like that though, because we're not playing the same notes. Here's how this pattern sounds. This is simply playing notes from the chords, but chopped into one note at a time. I then exported this by going up to File, selecting Export, and selecting Wave File. Now that we have the rendered pattern, we can double click into this, and I decided to pitch it down by 3 semitones. I then sent this to Mixer Track 16, where we can add some effects. Inside of this mixer track, I added an RC20 retro color, just to give it that kind of old grainy vibe, where I added some noise and a bit of reverb. Here's how this loop now sounds. Now it's time to go onto the drums. I took this 808 pattern, which again copies the root notes of the chords, but remember we pitched the loop down by 3 semitones, so we got to pitch these 808 notes down. These quick notes here are essential for Metro Boomin type beats. He uses these all the time. Then I added this snare pattern, which simply plays on the 3rd and 7th beats, but there's also notes in between, which are great for creating bounce. Metro adds a ton of accent notes with his snares. We can also layer this with other snare sounds. Here's an accent snare, for example. We've got this open hat. And finally, this 2-step hi-hat pattern with a few different rolls in it. If you don't know how to add rolls, you simply go up to here to the snap to grid and you can change it. It's usually on a quarter beat. You can change it to half step or quarter step, which changes the increments on the grid so you can add more notes. Now it's super important to use a soft clipper on the master, again for that distorted sound that all trap beats use. There's different ways of doing this. Some people use limiters, but soft clippers are the easiest. But it's definitely easiest just using a fruity soft clipper. And that is how to create a Metro Boomin type beat on FL Studio. Here's how the final result sounds. By the way, if you want access to Grain X4, which I use for all of the sounds in this video, then make sure to check out the link in the description where it's currently 70% off. The plugin has over 400 different sounds, so make sure to check it out.